recently got this 17-piece resistance band set from TOMTOP to help with my fitness goals. Stay tuned to learn more. So we have a 17-piece resistant band set. It does come with a handy carrying bag. It does include 5 of these tube bands here, 4 of the loop bands, 2 of each of these, so the carrying handles and the anchor straps, as well as the door handle. So this is a nifty thing to have here. And it does have a user manual for the 2 different kinds of bands to show different exercises to help you get started using these resistance bands. I work out at home every morning before work, but I haven't had resistance bands until recently, so I think this set is great for beginners like me. There's so much here that intermediate or more advanced users could be challenged and benefited from as well. So first, these loop bands. There's red, green, blue, and black, and they do have a little carrying case you can put them in. They are all the same size, but they differ in levels of resistance. And they do have them labeled here, like the red is the light, heavy, the green is the medium, and the extra heavy resistance. There are many different exercises that you can do with these bands, and that's why these manuals are great if you're just not sure what to do, to give you some exercises to get started. There's leg extensions, leg curls, leg raises, knee lifts, kickbacks, and so on. I will show you a few of those after I get through the other items in the set. So these tube bands here, they are about 4 feet in length, and there are 5 of them included in the set, you know, all varying resistance. Like the yellow one here is the lowest, 5, and it goes all the way up to the red, which is 25 pounds of resistance. So whatever fitness level you're at, you can choose the different resistance. They do feature a clip on the end here. So these clips can be attached either to these bands here, or the ones with the handles, or this is the door one, so it goes on the other side of the door stop. I will show you an exercise using the loop band and then with the tube band. I'm no expert, but I think exercise should definitely not be reserved for the pros. Okay, well, let me show you one. We'll pick the medium. So one of the easiest things to do, which works like, I think it's supposed to be good, you know, for the legs and the rear. You can do the side or the back, and that really works the rear. And then you can choose the band that feels the best for you, and the more you work out, the more heavier resistance you'll want to use to really, I mean, you can really feel these muscles working. Another thing that's great when you lay down this classic exercise, it just really, you can really feel how much more it makes the muscles work when you put that band on. It's really great. So, then we have the resistance bands. And these, for me, it took a little bit more learning how to use these. So, something that I like to do is the squats. So we can do it where we want to hold on to the handles here. See, and it'll show right here because I definitely needed this manual here when I first started to show you the different ways that you can do it here. So you stand on it. And you can do the squat like this, and you can really feel the resistance from the bands here. So that's just a very few of the things you can do with this TOMTOP set. You should be able to use it as you advance in strength. It's much better than buying 1 or 2 items at a time or having to purchase more as you progress. I like that it's different colors, so it's really easy to pick out what you need and keep the rest in the carrying bag. So please be sure to check out the description section below for more information on this set, and thank you very much for watching.